As a partner for your creativity and peace of mind, Moss is about exceptional experiences. Dedicated to collaboration, unafraid of painstaking detail, and relentless in our pursuit of excellence, we thrive on creating content-rich spaces for a wide range of branded environments. From corporate offices, museum and educational campuses, and sports stadiums, to hospitality, financial and healthcare institutions, and transportation, Moss transforms environments into powerful branded experiences. We collaborate with dreamers, hard hats, architects, visual wizards, and keepers of the brand. Together, we customize brand expressions that impress your audience and inspire employees. So, how are we unique? We know that skilled project management and technical engineering are essential for exceptional results. We propel your ideal vision and excel at refining concepts, generating suggestions, and engineering value, all while never losing sight of conceptual integrity or your deadline. This means we listen, and that your goals and ideas inspire us to think, feel, and dream like you. With multiple facilities in the US and Europe, Moss is unrivaled as a global, large-capacity digital UV and dye sublimation printer. We print on any substrate imaginable and install anywhere around the world. Moss Services plays a critical role in the finished space with on-site installation teams who are personable, task and detail-oriented, and most importantly, project-informed. Beyond printing, we produce it all: custom wall covering, privacy and distraction glass film, 3D dimensional signage, specialty LED displays, wayfinding, and identity signage. We also concept and execute unique feature walls and art expressions that create energy, intrigue, and even a sense of play, while highlighting the strength of your brand and the soul of the people that make it go. Our industry-leading tension fabric solutions include custom light boxes, wall frames, organic shapes, and sound control. These systems are compact, portable, and feature an integrated mounting gasket. There's no simpler way for facility staff to change out graphic content. When you need a partner to solve complexity, a fresh set of eyes and ears, dedicated and detailed project managers, savvy prototyping and manufacturing, or a locomotive to pull your creative vision to reality, we're ready. Moss is an army of creative doers, and our purpose is to be the solutions partner that works for you. So together, let's do more.